Hi, John from Reeve Estate Agents here. Today you join us on the Hoop Peninsula, specifically in Longfield Avenue in the village of Halstow. The village itself has got your traditional pub, shop, primary school, and it's also got a cricket club for any aspiring cricketers. So this is a 5-bedroom detached family home. As you'll see, you've got an oversized single garage, plenty of parking on the front, fantastic size accommodation, and obviously you've got the side access here that will lead through round to the garden. So follow me and let's go and have a look. So you're joining us now in the entrance hall to the property. Just in front of me here we have the downstairs WC. To the right we've got a fantastic kitchen breakfast room, and as you'll see we've got lounge to the right here leading onto the conservatory with a separate dining room. Nice touch, plenty of storage underneath the stairs. So welcome to the first floor of this property, where you're not going to have any arguments when it comes to who gets the smaller room. You've got 5 double bedrooms. Main bedroom has got the ensuite, family bathroom just behind, plenty of storage over here as well. So you're joining us now in the garden, or should I say garden, to this property. This is the side garden, and as you can see you've got a lovely decking area, a seating area, the bar over in the corner, which I'm sure is going to be appealing to many people. Just in front of me here you've got the rear garden, which is a really good size. So the budding footballer, you've got plenty of room for the goalposts, barbecues, entertaining. It's going to be a really fantastic garden. Equally, it's really private and secure, as I'm sure you'll be able to see. So I'm sure that this is going to appeal to many people. So for those of you that want further information and to book your viewing on this fantastic property, give John and the team at Reeve a call.